Oh my goodness, guys, I just realized something exciting happening right now in the daily time frame in this indicator right here for Quant, guys, and we are going to be talking about that in today's video, guys. But before we talk about that, let us first talk about the 4-hourly time frame for Quant and what's happening in the immediate short term, guys. So currently in the 4-hourly time frame, it seems like we're having this little pump right here. So what does this pump signify for me, guys? For me personally, what do I think about this little pump we're having right here? So I believe this pump might be taking us back to our resistance level right here. Now keep in mind, guys, this resistance level located at $109 to $115 is acting as major resistance. Now why do I say so? Because we have been rejected a couple of times in history. We got rejected once right here, another time right here, third time right here, a fourth time right here, a fifth time right here, and now we may be this little pump we're having right here may be taking us back to this resistance level right here, guys. And is this the time that we're actually gonna break resistance, break above it, and hold it as support? Is this the time? It's too early to say. Let's just figure it out in my later videos. Let's just wait for confirmation, guys. That's what I'm saying. Let's be patient. We can't predict the future, but I believe it's more likely that we're gonna be breaking this resistance right now, because like I said, the more times we touch resistance, guys, the weaker it gets. And did you know what I said in my previous quant technical analysis video? That I said right now we are in our fifth wave to the upside, guys. We are in our fifth impulsive wave to the upside. This is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, the longest wave 4, and now my target for the wave 5 to the upside is $135, but it doesn't have to reach $135, guys, for the wave 5 to end. It can correct as soon as $120. It's just that $135 is my target because it is located at my next major resistance level, but it doesn't have to necessarily reach that area. Now, guys, let us talk about the scenarios that can play out for Quant right now. So there are multiple scenarios, guys, but let's talk about my 3 scenarios. So here's scenario 1. I'm going to be drawing it out. So scenario 1, which I believe is more likely, is we move in this range right here, guys. We move in this range for a couple of days before breaking to the upside. We're going to be moving in this range. That is scenario 1. Scenario 1 is moving in a range. What about my second scenario, guys? So my second scenario is right now, this may potentially be the pump we are waiting for. This may be the final pump that we're going to be having. We're going to be breaking resistance and hold it as support and continue to our next major resistance level right here. That is the second scenario right here. Let's change the color. Yes, that is the bullish case. We're going to be immediately breaking resistance and move to our next major resistance right here. And what about my third scenario, which is the worst case scenario? And the worst case scenario is we either fail to break resistance, or the third scenario is we fail to hold support right here. We dump below support and test it as resistance, flip it as resistance, and then dump to our next support level located at $66. That is my third scenario, which is the bearish scenario, the bearish case. So I'm going to color it in red. So here are the 3 scenarios, but I believe it's more likely that we're going to be breaking to the upside, because I believe we are currently in our 5th wave to the upside. I believe we're going to be pumping for a final 5th wave to the upside, guys, before a major correction to the downside. Now, guys, what about what I was talking about a while ago? At the start of the video, I told you guys about the daily time frame. What is happening in the daily time frame? Something interesting is happening right now in the daily time frame. In this RSI indicator, in this daily RSI, let's just enlarge this a bit. Here we go, guys. So in the daily RSI, we've been in this downtrend for a few days right here. And we formed a descending trend line right here, which has been acting as resistance in the RSI. But look at this, guys. Look at this. Zoom in closely. What do you see? We have broken out of the descending trend line right here. We got rejected once, twice, and thrice. We got rejected 3 times. And right now, we broke out of the descending trend line in the daily RSI. Is this something to be bullish about, or is this a fake out? We're going to be finding out. But for me, I think this may signify something bullish happening in the daily time frame. So I told you guys in my previous quant technical analysis that quant has formed a bearish divergence where the price formed the same high right here, while the RSI was forming lower highs right here, lower highs. That is a bearish divergence. And right now, the bullish case is we broke out of the descending trend line right here. So does this signify something? Does this RSI indicator signify that we are going to be breaking resistance right here and move past it and move to our next major resistance level located at $135? Does it signify something bullish? Let us wait for confirmation. Let us stay patient as always. And that's the quick update. If you guys like this video, be sure to drop a like and consider subscribing. And guys, I just launched a brand new Discord signals and alerts group where I post market updates every single day. So if you find that interesting, then join my Discord server. The link is in the description down below. And yeah, feel free to join, guys. Literally, you're missing an opportunity right now. You should be joining. You get daily market updates. You won't lose anything. It's free. Join now and watch this video, guys. Watch this video being displayed on screen. It's my quant long-term price prediction, like 10 years from now. Watch it right now. It's being displayed on screen, guys. Another opportunity that you have decided to miss. If you don't want to miss it, watch it.